Hey guys, how are you? First of all, really sorry for a bad throat. I'm a little bit sick, so yes. Welcome to my Anmi haul video. It's again Flipkart. As you guys know, I buy a lot of items from Flipkart.com. Especially, I am really on to online shoppings so much. So this time on the big billion day sale, I have bought many things. One of those things is this kurti. If you guys are following me, you can seeing the kurti, you will come to know that this kurti in the color pink I've bought few days back for rupees 384, and this time I got the same kurti in different color in a combination of yellow and blue for rupees 170. Yes, 170. Can you imagine? So yes, this kurti is very comfy, good for daily wear basis, and steal deal price, guys. So go check out flipkart.com. It has huge variety of Anmi kurtis.